What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we have another Funko Pop mystery box from the company Chrono Toys. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be cracking open another Funko Pop mystery box from the company Chrono Toys. I have two of them. Before we open these mystery boxes, let's hear a little bit more about these mystery boxes. It is the Golden Ticket Mystery Box V3. There are a limit of 4 per customer. In this box, we have a guaranteed value or more limited to exclusives only, no commons. Chance of a golden ticket. Looks like they have about 12 big boy pops here that you could actually win and get the golden, or get a golden ticket to get one of these big boy, grill pops, I guess you want to call it. I paid $20 for it. It came out to be like $24.99 per box shipped, so like $49.98, something like that. That's how much these two boxes cost total. So $49.98 is what we got to make back, or more than that. It's up to you if you want to calculate the shipping and the cost of the mystery box or not. I do, because it's what you pay for the actual thing to get to you. So I include the shipping. Let's crack these boxes and let's see what we get. Guaranteed value. That's pretty good. Alright. I don't know if the golden ticket's going to be on top, on the bottom, but I'm feeling around the box. Lift up the pop. There's nothing in the box, so maybe we didn't get a golden ticket. So here we go. Make sure there's no, it's not in the pop protector either, so I don't feel no paper, no nothing. So we probably didn't get the golden ticket. So in 3, 2, 1, bam. What is it? Magic Johnson. I have this pop. No, this is one of the newer ones, right? From Target. It's a Target exclusive. I'm pretty sure it's a Target exclusive, right? To tell you the truth, I'm a sticker snob. I don't like these special edition stickers. I don't know. I'd rather have the regular sticker, but there he is right there, Magic Johnson. There's the left side, the right, or the back, the other side, and the front again. So Magic Johnson, I'm a huge basketball, I used to be a huge basketball fan, but I don't really follow them too much anymore, but it's cool. I like it. I have a bunch of Michael Jordans, I have a Shaquille O'Neal, I have an Allen Iverson. Yeah, so I've got a few basketball pops, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool to be in a collection. I just gotta track down that sticker and see where it's from. We'll look at the values after all these are said and done too as well. Alright, moving on to the next box. Magic Johnson. I think that's a Target exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. That just came out. Alright, here we go. Opening the box. No paper of any sort. No paper in the box. Alright. Alright, here we go. Nothing. It's not in a pop protector either, so all these are just regular pops, I guess. I'm guessing. Alright. And 3, 2, 1, bam. Admiral Zod? I'm not sure. I have one avatar pop, and that is Aang. Where is Aang at? Where did I put him? He's over there somewhere. But this one is the Avatar: The Last Airbender. It is a glow in the dark. I'm not really sure where the exclusive's from. Not Hot Topic, because I have that sticker at the bottom. But there is that pop right there. Pretty freaking sweet. There's the right side. There's the back. I think this is from the new wave. Pretty cool. And I do have the Aang. I really like that Aang. What is it? Aang Avatar State Super. That's pretty cool. I like that. Now that's got to be a glow in the dark, right? That's pretty cool. There's that side and the front again. So let's look up some values on these and let's see if we made our $49.98 back. After looking up the value, the Magic Johnson is 35, this one is 21, so a total of $56. So I paid $49.96, so we got a total of $6.02 more in value than what we paid for the box. That's a win in my book. Anytime you can buy a mystery box and get more back than what you paid, it's always a win, even if it's a couple cents. So there we have it right there, Magic Johnson and I don't know, this Avatar pop. Admiral Zhao? I don't know. There we have it right there. These two pops. Really freaking sweet. Yeah, I mean, I think I'll buy another 2 boxes whenever they do these, like, high roller golden ticket mystery boxes. I like them. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And on the behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you, flock of collectors, in the next one.